Travel
Agency.
My name is Interistic Travel. Our first destination, San Agustin Church, located in Intramuros, Manila, is the old stone church in the Philippines. Complete in 1607, it survived fires, earthquake, and wars. Serving as a witness to Philippines history, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is a venue for its Baroque architecture. Short trivia: San Agustin has survived 7 earthquakes and 2 fires, making it one of the most resilient architectural landmarks in the country.
Our second destination is Casa Manila. The Casa Manila or Manila House is a living museum that features the lifestyle of an African Filipino family during the late Spanish colonial period. The facade of Casa Manila was patterned after a house that once stood of Jaboneros, street in the Chinese district of Binondo in 1950s.
Our third destination, by Chino, the museum was designed by Eva Pinamora in collaboration with the late architect Corazon Fernandez in 1999, provide organization led by Teresa evaluated projects to provide another venue for according patriotism to promoting cultural identity and understanding between the local.
Our fourth destination, the history of Fort Santiago. The historic fortress of Fort Santiago is situated in Manila, Philippines, Intramuros. Neighborhood originally constructed by Spanish conquistador Miguel de Lopez in the late 16th century. It's been functioned as a defensive stronghold during the Spanish colonial era, situated strategically near the mouth of the Pasig River. The fort played a vital role in providing protection against both pirate attack and foreign grenades. Short trivia: while the district was originally home to an Indianas Malayan Islamic settlement, it became the seat of religious, political, and military power in the 16th century, when the country was under the control of the Spain. Only the elite Spaniard and mestizos were allowed accommodation in Intramuros.
Our fifth destination is Baluarte de San Diego, complete sometime between 1653 and 1663. Baluarte de San Diego is shaped like an ace of spades. It was British by the British, first in Conan Fry in 762. It was returned when the Spaniards returned the earthquake of 1863, destroyed the structure leading its abandonment.
Our last destination, Manila Cathedral Church. The cathedral was daily built of the simple parish in Manila in 1571 by Juan de Bebero, a secular prince. It was dedicated to Our Lady of the Immaculate Conception back then. It was simple made of nipap. And bamboo on December 21, 1581, its status as elevated to a cathedral by Bishop Domingo Salazar.
Thank you, tourists, and thank you for watching.